Llama 2, a game-changing AI model making waves in the AI community. From chatbot and code generation to content creation, this versatile tool is revolutionizing language processing with its unique features. Partnering with tech giants and aiming to democratize advanced AI, Llama 2 stands out as a remarkable innovation. In this video, we'll delve into what sets this AI apart from other competition. History of Meta Llama 2. Now let's delve into the intricate universe of Llama 2. Meta, in its unwavering commitment to open and responsible AI, unfolded this game-changing AI model on July 18th, sending ripples across the AI landscape. But let's rewind a bit and understand the historical context. Meta's journey in the realm of language models commenced in 2015 with the advent of the deep text model. Fast forward to 2021, and we witnessed the emergence of Llama, a groundbreaking creation albeit fraught with challenges such as operational costs and accuracy issues. Enter Llama 2, a manifestation of Meta's dedication to advancing AI capabilities. Supported by industry titans like Microsoft and Amazon, Llama 2 stands as a collection of substantial language models, each endowed with distinct sizes and capabilities. Models and parameters. Meta Llama 2 is a family of pre-trained and fine-tuned large language models, ranging in scale from 7 billion to 70 billion parameters. From the AI group at Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Llama 2 models are based on the Google Transformer architecture with improvements. Models. Meta Llama 2 is available in a variety of model sizes, each with different capabilities and requirements. Llama Chat, a family of models optimized for dialogue use cases. Code Llama, a family of models optimized for code generation and understanding tasks. Llama Base, a general-purpose LLM that can be used for a wide range of tasks, including text generation, translation, and question answering. Parameters. The number of parameters in an LLM is a key measure of its complexity and capability. Llama 2 models have between 7 billion and 70 billion parameters, making them among the largest and most powerful LLMs available. Meta Llama 2 is a powerful and versatile LLM with a wide range of potential applications. It is available for free for research and commercial use, and outperforms other open-source language models on many benchmarks. Accessibility. Meta Llama 2 is accessible to researchers and developers through a variety of channels, including website. Meta AI provides a website interface that allows anyone to freely experiment with Llama 2. Code. Llama 2 is open source and can be downloaded directly from Hugging Face, a leading platform for sharing AI models. Managed API. Llama 2 is also available as a managed API on Amazon Bedrock, which makes it easy to deploy and use Llama 2 models without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. In addition to these general access channels, Meta AI is also working to make Llama 2 more accessible to specific communities, such as people with disabilities and people in developing countries. For example, Meta AI is working to develop screen reader support for Llama 2 and to make Llama 2 models available in more languages. Here are some specific examples of how Meta Llama 2 is being used to improve accessibility. Researchers at the University of California, Berkeley are using Llama 2 to develop a new screen reader that can read complex web pages and applications. A startup called Era is using Llama 2 to develop a new AI assistant that can help people with visual impairments navigate the world. Meta AI is working with partners in Africa to make Llama 2 models available in more African languages. Compatibility. Meta Llama 2 is compatible with a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, including Python, PyTorch, TensorFlow, OwnNX, TorchServe. It is also compatible with a variety of cloud platforms, including Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. This means that Llama 2 can be used in a wide range of environments, from small research projects to large-scale production systems. In addition to its programming language and framework compatibility, Llama 2 is also compatible with a variety of hardware platforms, including CPU, GPU, FPGA. This makes Llama 2 accessible to a wide range of users, from those with limited computing resources to those with access to powerful supercomputers. What makes it different? In the grand arena of artificial intelligence, where digital titans clash and collaborate, Meta Llama 2 emerges as a formidable contender. But how does it measure up against its peers, the renowned giants of the AI landscape? Llama 2, available as an open-source model, can be downloaded and utilized without charge for both research and commercial applications. In contrast, ChatGPT operates as a closed product accessible solely through OpenAI's API, and utilizing it may involve associated expenses. Standing shoulder to shoulder with the likes of GPT-3 and BERT, Llama 2 boasts an astonishing adaptability that sets it apart. While GPT-3 excels in generating human-like text and BERT masters language understanding, Meta Llama 2 wields the power of both. Its innate creativity and comprehension make it a versatile powerhouse. In terms of performance, Llama 2 has demonstrated encouraging outcomes. Benchmark assessments comparing various language models consistently depict Llama 2's commendable performance, frequently outperforming ChatGPT regarding the effectiveness of prompted interactions. These findings underscore Llama 2's ability to produce precise and pertinent responses. A distinctive strength of Llama 2 lies in its emphasis on safety. Rigorous testing and refinement processes have been implemented to align its responses with human preferences and safeguard against the disclosure of sensitive information. In fact, it outpaces ChatGPT in terms of safety rankings. In the grand tapestry of AI, Llama 2 weaves its own unique thread, offering an exciting glimpse into a future where AI models are more than just tools. They are true digital companions, orchestrating an enchanting symphony of possibilities. Challenges and ethical considerations. In the intoxicating realm of technological marvels, ethical responsibility and caution must always be our guiding stars. One of the foremost challenges arises from the omnipresent specter of bias. Llama 2, like any AI, relies on data from the real world, which can carry biases that inadvertently seep into its decisions. Guarding against these biases and ensuring fairness becomes an ever-pressing endeavor. Moreover, privacy concerns loom large as the Llama 2 wields immense knowledge about individuals and organizations, sparking concerns about data protection and security. Yet, in the face of these challenges, we find an opportunity for ethical enlightenment. Llama 2's emergence invites a dialogue about responsible AI development, transparency, and regulations to protect against misuse. By addressing these ethical considerations head-on, we not only safeguard our technological future, but also pave the way for a world where AI stands as a beacon of progress and equity. The future of AI and Meta Llama 2. In the future of AI, Meta Llama 2 stands as a beacon of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we conceive as possible. It beckons us toward a world where AI seamlessly integrates into our lives, augmenting our creativity, enhancing our decision-making, and transcending the confines of mere machine intelligence. With ethical considerations at the forefront, Llama 2 paves the way for a future where AI enriches society, navigates complex problems, and empowers individuals and industries alike. It is a glimpse into a future where humans and AI coexist synergistically, painting a tapestry of progress, discovery, and endless possibilities that will define our digital destiny. Conclusion: pioneering the AI frontier. Do you think Meta will be able to surpass the likes of OpenAI and other contenders in the brawl for the dominant AI crown? Or do you think this is Meta's desperate attempt to keep up with the development of search engines as we know it? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to your channel. We make sure to keep all AI fans well up to date with the latest news on this revolution that is changing our world. So feel free to watch over the rest of our videos covering other AI.